What's up friends, welcome back to Learn AI, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add knowledge to supercharge Manus AI. So guys, what are knowledge? Knowledge are basically some prompts or some instructions that you can give to Manus AI that whenever it's doing whatever task that you want it to do, it will take this into consideration and actually do it for you. So that's why I'm going to show you how to add it. Now, the best way how you can understand how to use knowledge and what you can give it is to ask Manus to give you some examples of those knowledge, and then you will get a general idea of what these are, and then afterwards you can come up with those different instructions that you can give. So that's what I did, because guess what, I'm also getting used to Manus as well. So what I've done, I've asked Manus, give me 5 knowledge that I can add to Manus, right? So as you can see here, simple ask it, it says okay, it's gonna go ahead and give me 5 knowledge, and you can see that it goes through analyzing it, it does some research, it create the 5 unique ones, and it goes through a bunch of different steps, format the knowledge and present those knowledge models, and it gives me 5 examples, right? So it gives me 5 examples, and guess what, how cool it is, it even put those into some docs that I can quickly view as well. And if you want to view these, how those special instructions will work afterwards, you can simply go ahead and click on the eye, and you can see it shows you how it's going to work. You don't need to worry about these different codes. This is if you really want to use it. All Manus is asking for is the basic instructions, what you want it to do, and it will know what it should do. That's how cool it is. So don't worry too much about these scripts. If you want to use them, you can simply go ahead and click download on the upper right hand side, or you can easily go ahead and copy them, right? Or you can export it even as a PDF. But you don't have to worry about this. So how do we go about adding instructions into Manus, right? Or to give it some knowledge. Now, let's take, for example, this last example here. I'm going to simply go ahead and copy this. So all you need is to copy this natural language here that you get in text, right? So copy this. Now, on the lower left hand side, you will see something like a book. It's called knowledge. You want to click on that, and then you can see I already have a knowledge there. Just simply click and add knowledge, and I'm going to paste everything here for the time being. You see that it gives you 3 sections: the name, when Manus will use it, and the content. And that's all you have to do. So let me go ahead and copy the name. So I'm going to Control X here and put the name here. And it says when. Use when. And here it says right here, Manus will use this knowledge when. It's simple, guys. You just simply need to go ahead and copy this. Just go ahead and copy or cut that. I'm going to put when. And as you're going to see, let's remove the rest of this. And the last section is basically content. You can just remove the word content here and leave the rest of it. And that's it. That's all there is to it. And you just need to ensure that you enable it, click on save, and guess what? You have your knowledge added. And that's how easy it is, guys, to add knowledge in Manus. I hope you found value here, guys. Go ahead and come up with other creative knowledges that you can add for Manus. So that's how easy it is, guys, to go ahead and add knowledge in Manus, to take Manus to a whole new level, to do whatever you want. The power is within your hands, guys. Go ahead and try this out. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.